Hey, Greed for Money here, and again, gumagawa ako ng videos about ClickSense for you to, to guide you guys on how to earn more with your ClickSense account. So, in this presentation, we can see right here, it's ClickSense ClickSgrid. So, normally, when we go to ClickSense, we just normally click on ads. So, like this one. So, pag natapos na yung ads, then wala na tayong nagagawa, right? Parang wait na lang tayo kinabukasan. Pero, actually, there is some other ways to make money with ClickSense. So, karamihan is hindi napapansin ito, pero actually, you just have to go here to ClickSgrid. Ito sa may ClickSense account nyo. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna click on play the game. Alright. So, makikita mo dito, merong picture, yan, and then merong mga clickable links, mga square. So, usually, the way ClickSgrid works is, once na nakiklik ka ng mga links dito, meron kang chance na manalo ng from 10 cents to $5 a day. So, depende yan. Minsan kasi may mga makiklik ang mga ads na walang price, pero minsan may makiklik ang ads na may price. So, another way of making money online. Alright, so bigyan lang natin ng sample dito. Like this one, nag-click ako ng ads sa ClickSgrid. Then, same thing lang naman siya. So, makikita mo is mga ads na mga nakiklik mo dati. And makikita mo yung timer. And here we go. Then, kiklik mo lang yung picture. So, match mo lang yung picture na yan. And then, alright, so far, hindi ako nanalo. Alright. Hindi ako masyadong active mag-click dito. Though, minsan pag may extra time ako, I usually click here, ClickSgrid. And so far, may price na ako dito, no? So, $1.40. So, kumita ka ng extra money by just clicking here in ClickSgrid. One good thing about ClickSgrid is, anyone can win here. You just have to click on ads every day sa ClickSgrid. As a standard member or free member, you get like 25 chance para mag-click dito. Okay? 25 chance. So, bibigyan ka ng ClickSgrid lang, ng ClickSense ng 25 ad click a day. Pagka upgraded member ka naman, like my account, you get 50 chance. So, basically, mas marami kang chance pagka upgraded yung account mo sa ClickSense. Alright? So, ganun lang siya mag-work. And then, you just have to click on ads every day. Alright? So, again, if you have any questions about ClickSgrid or your ClickSense account, or any PTC account that you have that you might wanna ask some questions about, then just let me know. You can actually send me a PM by going to greedformoney.sulit.com.ph, or you can just respond to this email na na-receive mo sa akin. Alright, so that will be all for today. I appreciate your time watching my video, and you have a good day. Make money online today. Alright, bye now.